Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an eBay gift card. So head over to ebay.com and log into your account. Once you're in your account, let's go ahead and browse for an item that we would like to purchase or order. Let's say, for example, I would like to order this wireless gaming mouse. Click on it, then select or click the button Add to Cart. You can add multiple items if you want, just make sure to double check the product details before moving on. So let's go ahead and click X, then go to the upper right corner and click on the cart icon right here. Click on View Cart. In this part, make sure to review your item or items, quantities, and price it. Once everything looks good, let's proceed to the checkout by clicking Go to Checkout. Once you're in the checkout page, go ahead and scroll down and find the gift cards and coupons option, this section right here. Now go ahead and get your eBay gift card code. This could be from a physical card or a digital code sent to your email. Carefully enter the code into the gift card field right here, enter code. Then click Apply. If the code is valid, you'll see the gift card balance applied to your order total. Now go ahead and check the order summary on the right side to make sure that the gift card amount is deducted correctly. When you're ready, you can just go ahead and click Confirm and Pay to place your order. And that's it. Your eBay gift card has been successfully used. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.